Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Today I will teach you, I will create a simple project and we will learn in this series a project that can be very helpful for you to create a bigger one. So let's do it. First you have to create a folder, give whatever you need a name of your project. I created YouTube demo 25 and I created five folder in it. First is backup, second is finance, inventory, picks and scripts. And we will then move on. First, we have to create a table script. In this project, you have to learn a bit. There is some kind of requirement you have to before this project start. First of all, you have to knowledge about some PLSQL, Oracle, its DLLMs and other tutorial you can find anyone on YouTube, and then we will move on to this project. It is a very basic project, but you have to learn if you knowledge if you know something about Oracle, then this project will be very helpful for you. But if you not aware of any Oracle script and SQL and database query, then it might be difficult for you. So let's start it. First, you have to create a script. I created a set of tables, and then we will create a form. First, we have to create a user, and here is a user. I created a user YouTube demo 25 and identify y25. I created a user name yt demo 25 and its password is y25 and gave grant some of the permission to this project, this schema user, and then create the user. So let's do it. First, I will give this to uh, YouTube description, so you can find there and create a one. So first of all, let's connect with the system and password and log in your password in your database. I am using for now Oracle 12.1.0.2 database, and you can do whatever you want. And copy paste the script and it create a user created, grant succeeded and grant succeeded, and now I can connect it connected to this user. So let's create a other table. It's called path URL. In this table, we can specify the path of our project, and then we can call the form and report later by calling the path of our project. Let's create this one, and I created this table created. Now second table is company profile, and here is company profile table. We can copy and then paste and it will create a table, and we can create insert a row in it for the first use, and one row is created and committed successfully. And then we have to create a user table. Here is a user table and table is created, and then we have to insert a record. Here is a record inserted and committed. Now you can use whatever you want to use SQL developer. I am using for now DB Fold Studio for Oracle, and you can use whatever you want. And then we have to connect it. Let's give a connection string. My name is localhost and service name is CTE U and YT demo 25 and the password is 25. Let's change the for test and test connection it's successfully, and now we can expand the table. There are three tables we created: company profile, path URL and users, and then we can create a new SQL and then select static from users. It will give one user one row because we inserted it when we created the user table, and like this we can also check company profile table and it also give a one row. So let's do it in Oracle Web Form Builder. First, I will create a. You have to run all your services must be running in running mode, and this is Oracle 12c Weblogic installed and running successfully. If you say if you need to install this, you can find a lot of tutorial in YouTube to how to install Oracle Weblogic 12c, and if you need any help, I will be there for you. And mm, we should go to the our project, and first we have to create a farm about for our there is a farm table farms. Let's create a farm and give a name company file profile, and create on canvas and plus icon. It will create a canvas and double click on window property, and here is it. We have to change some of the properties. First we have to change the width of 760 and height should be 488. It is the standard uh, width and height, and canvas of we have also changed to 670 760 and 488. Now open the canvas, double click on canvas, and you can also press the F2 button. Here we find a canvas and we all have to work with here, and there is a trigger in company profile top level farm level trigger. We have to create a trigger call when new farm instance. There is a uh, trigger available here, and we have to set write some of the code. um, we have to set window state and other things. Let's say we have to set window property, and first we have to forms mdi window comma, and we have to say window state, and it should be maximize window state, sorry. And we have to copy paste, and it should be this window name. You can say whatever you want, like I have window 1, and the window state should be state maximize, and we have to copy this and set title to company profile. Let's save it in Y2 YT project YT demo and finance and forms. Let's that it's created. We have to also create another form and change its name to dashboard. So we can copy this trigger and paste here. We can also change the name of this should be dashboard, and same we have to save it as this one, and we have to change window width 760 and 488. Also we have to create a canvas. Double click on canvas, it will create a canvas, and we have to change 760 and 488. Let's change the form. Click on with dashboard and change menu module and delete all this one. And we have to go on the canvas, double click on canvas, and it will give you a canvas, and create a text textbook label and name it dashboard. Okay, and now go to the property palette and bounding font scalable to yes, and fixed bonding to yes. Now it will be expand when we expand the label. So let's expand it. 48, sorry, 24. Let's fit it on the top and go to view, sorry, layout, justify as center, and go to the color palette and set background to uh, white is fine, and font should be this one, and border color should be black. Now it's fine. Okay, let's create a button and give this go to this property, its property, and change the company profile as name, and you can change company profile. Here it is, and we have to change the font size 10, and we can expand it. Here it is, and we have to create a trigger, smart trigger, and there is a trigger called FULL editor, and type key sorry when button pressed. Okay, and we have to drop write open farm, and farm name. If you give a full path of the farm, that's fine, but if the farm and calling farm are in the same place, same folder, it is not requiring any uh, path. So we have to company profile farm, and it should be activate, and it should be same session. Now compile it, It says we have to log in, and YT25, YT demo 25, Y25, and database get connected. Now we have to compile it, Control Shift and T, and now it's Control Shift T. Then we have to, in the next video, we will create profile config in the farm web.cfg file, and then we will launch in Java uh, applet. So for now, take care, and we will meet in the next video.